Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to start our new topic, understanding data cycle. This topic is very important because some of the few classes are left for this digital marketing season 2. So we need to check the data cycles, that how we can understand this so that we can run up business campaigns, Facebook campaigns and Google campaigns as well. So watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe the channel with the pressing of bell icon and like this video as well. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. Understanding of data cycle is the basic topic. When it comes to evaluating what's working in your online strategy, knowing what to measure and how to interpret your marketing data is a useful skill to have. In this lesson, we will explain what the data cycle is, its benefits, and how you can use it in a day-to-day activities to help inform your goals. The data cycle is a popular way to help you make the most of the information collected from various online marketing activities to help you prepare action and inform your business decisions online. The four main stages of the data cycle are plan, do, check and act. This is also called PDCA. Let's explore the data cycle in action. Imagine a marketing team working at a local town hall want to organize a digital advertising campaign to encourage people to cycle to work. In the plan stage, the team would identify their goals for this campaign and outline how they plan to promote it. They decide their goals is to see a 25% reduction in commuter traffic over the next 3 months using search advertising and social media marketing. Next step is the do stage of the cycle. This is when the team designs the ad and launches the campaign. A few weeks after the campaign has ended, the team measures how many people clicked on the ads and assesses whether the campaign had an impact on the number of people cycling to work. They noticed that while the search ads drove a substantial amount of new traffic to the website as well, very few people saw and engaged with the social media campaign. This insight highlights that the town hall's social media campaign should be reassessed and optimized for improvements. This is the check stage of the data cycle. Finally, the act stage reveals where a business can use their findings to improve future campaigns. In this case, the marketing team could decide to vary the social platform used, review the content they are publishing, or post at different times of the day and see if the changes help improve engagement. Now that we have discussed the data cycle, let's look at some tips to help you get the best results from the data you collect. Don't get overwhelmed trying to collect as much as data as possible. Focus your efforts on the datasets that are most relevant to your goals and work to capture the right information at the right time. Review the information you gather at periodic intervals. This will help you stay aware of any data anomalies that may appear during the year, such as spikes or drops in sales due to seasonal dates like national holidays. Utilize online tools to help you gather the data you need and draw out the relevant insights. Tools such as Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and Web Trends can provide data on website visits, include pages visits, time spent on the site, and whether users have completed a target action like completing a contact form, or finally, if you have access to historical data or data of past trends, use it and learn from past experiences. When it comes to your business scenario, think about how you can apply data to inform decisions. How could the data cycle support you in optimizing future marketing campaigns? We will study in the next class. Thank you very much. Have a good day. As I know that you can learn much more things. Some of the few classes are left. Just be ready and watch all the videos again and again. If you have any queries, just comment us in the comment section. Have a good day.